Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new everyday makeup look for you. It is so easy. You guys would love it. But first of all, what you need to do is subscribe to my channel. I will link it somewhere up here, and then tap on bell notifications. Then please leave a like, comment down below, and follow me on all my socials to stay updated. So basically when I started posting on Instagram, everybody was like, oh, we love your eyeliner, how do you do it, how do you do it? I personally like using liquid eyeliner, but for beginners it is preferred that to get this perfect wing you should first practice. So I'm just gonna give you some hacks, and sometimes people do practice but they still don't get that sharp edge here. So I'm gonna teach you how to get that with powders, as since liquid eyeliner is a little tricky, you need some practice before perfecting it, but this you can just perfect in like one go. You would only need like two things for this, no brushes, no nothing. So if you want to know how to get this, then please keep on watching. The first step is to put on scotch tape. So you get your tape and then you just apply it from the end of your lash line towards the tail of your eyebrow. So you have to make sure that both of them are equal. तो आप उसकी direction को you can always set it like hello. थोड़ा सा tilt करना है, ये ना आप बिल्कुल यूं लगा दें, आपने उसको थोड़ा tilt करके रखना है आईलाइनर जिस शेप में आपको चाहिए उस साइड को। तो इस तरह से मैंने लगा दिया। See, so basically it's from the end of our lash line towards the tail of my brows. So after that's done and you think your tape is nice and secure, we move on to step number 2. Second thing that you need is a cotton bud. Dip it in a brown eyeshadow. When you have nicely coated your Q-tip with brown shadow, you can use any brown shadow. What you have to do is you close your eyes and you start applying from the middle, and then you push the color outward and you go near the tip and you come back and towards your inner corner. Of course you can fix the thickness according to your liking, but this is it, that's all you have to do. You don't even have to be that precise because the tape will do that for you. The tape is going to give you a very nice wing. When that is done, you will flip your cotton bud and you dip it in a black eyeshadow. अब जो brown वाला है, what we did was कि हमने उसको बिल्कुल precisely नहीं लगाया. We just applied it आराम से. So we wanted a thick layer of the brown one. Now for the black eyeshadow, we are going to try and make it closer to our lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my eye and I'm going to try and put it near my lash line. Feel like that you need to go in with brown again, you can completely do that like I'm gonna do it. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of brown again on my cotton on my Q-tip, and I'm just gonna go over it very light-handedly. I'm just gonna take the same brown, whatever we already have left on our Q-tip, and I'm just gonna apply it here on my lower lash line. Are you ready? And that's it. You can see what the tape has given us such a sharp wing, and all we did was just went over our lid with like a Q-tip. So it was that easy. If usually tape doesn't do that, but if just in case it has taken off something from here, Mera, because I told you my eyes were red and they were watery, maybe I'm having an emotional crisis, I don't know, but I'm just gonna look upper and go back in with my sponge and just tap it lightly, and that's it, it's fixed. I'll just get my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. When they're nice and curly, my eyes are acting funny today, I don't know why. You just put on your mascara. You can put on any mascara that you personally enjoy. Who remembers You know, when I think it was during like 2000, 2001, 2002, when, you know, guys started using that set wet something, you know, those hard gels, and their hair would be all emo and crazy, and you would just be like, what happened to you, sweetie? Next step is that you just tightline your eyes. So either you can just stop here, but if you're just like me and you like makeup too much, what you can do is you can just go in with any glitter or like some sparkly eyeshadow or anything. For me, I'm going on with this roll-on shimmer and from NYX, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to dab a little bit on my inner corner. So yes guys, that was it. I will not fast forward the tutorial so that, you know, you can see it literally takes 2 days. I think this is the perfect if you're going to office, and, you know, if you're like in a hurry or something, you can just try doing this, and, you know, this will just make you look nice like within 5 minutes. You know, those 5-minute makeup challenges, if you take part in one, you can always just do this and you will probably win. So yeah, and hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.